Hi, my name's Frank Valentic and welcome to our Advantage Property Market Update. Well, it continues to be a buyer's market in Melbourne. Clearance rates have been in the low 50% range. They're a long way down from the 70% we were seeing a year ago when it was still a seller's market. So more opportunities for buyers, but the downsizer market is very, very strong. They are the most powerful player at the moment. They're cashed up and they're picking up lots of properties in that sub-$1 million category. Competing against first home buyers who are finding it pretty tough if they're looking at single level units to get in and buy these types of properties. So the downsizer market is very, very strong. How's our confidence levels in Australia? At the lowest levels, apparently from a recent survey in the last 5 years. So we've got the confidence levels down, people are a little bit worried, and it's really about the fear factor because there's been some doomsayers. There's been the 60-minute story, bricks and slaughter, and it's just feeding some fear in the market. Nothing's changed. The fundamentals are still strong in terms of low interest rates, high population growth, low unemployment and a strong economy. So it's really just that sort of fear factor, a bit of mental factor there at the moment, but I think that will pick up in the future. We've still become a nation of renters because in 1994, the amount of renters in the marketplace was around 18%, and now we're up to about 25%. So the great Australian dream, in the last 20 years, Melbourne's property price has increased from a median of around 150,000 up to recently around 820,000. So that great Australian dream is becoming a lot harder for buyers to get into the marketplace. Well, the Chinese buyers are definitely dropping off. 67% decrease in overseas buying. That will have a massive impact on the new apartment market. I don't think we've seen that yet. The higher taxes, the higher fees they're being charged, and it is getting tougher because you can't get loans if you're borrowing or trying to buy from overseas as well. Well, the outside markets are performing much better than the inner markets. If we look at the outer suburbs, in the recent survey of the highest growth suburbs in the last 12 months, 54 of the 57 suburbs were 20 kilometres or further out of Melbourne. And that's where we've been buying a lot of our properties. We've been looking at buying properties in those areas where there is a lag factor and there is going to be some growth in those areas. Please don't hesitate to get on our website, check out our information about our buyer's advocate, seller's advocate, property management and group block purchases. We look forward to seeing you next time.